Hey everyone, and welcome back to a brand new handsy yet faceless unboxing. Baby is sleeping, so I'm taking advantage of doing an unboxing, and we have limited time so I can't go out and set up cameras and such, but I have an unboxing from Dior Beauty, and this is a very viral piece, and I think a lot of you will be interested to see what this looks like. This is the receipt, and here we go. So this is what the box looks like. Very nice. Now there were some promo codes going on in Canada. There's videos all over like TikTok and Instagram of all these women getting these great freebies. I don't know if the promo codes don't they sell out of certain freebies, so I don't think I got everything, but here's another. Oh, I think I have a little gift from me to me. So you can add a little gift card there if you're sending somebody a gift. Pardon my chipped nail polish right there, but here we go. So I'm gonna open it up. So the first thing I got was this free makeup pouch, which is actually quite nice. It's like a velvety material. Nice to have on hand. Good to keep in the car. Of spare makeup. I used to keep spare stuff in the car, but then I stopped doing that because of the rise of unfortunate carjackings and car thefts. I don't want to keep an expensive makeup pouch in the car and then potentially it being lost. So this is nice to keep in the car. It's very impressive looking, very soft. You can keep other things in here as well, like medications and such. So that was nice to get. That was one of the freebies that I got in addition to this fan. I don't remember what code I used, to be honest, and I'm pretty sure it's expired now. There's probably other codes because I ordered this in like November. But this is the other. Oh gosh, this is a fan. Now, it's nice to get these. I don't know if, like, where I would use this. I would probably use this. Let's do that again. Ooh. My daughter would really like this to play with. Look at this. Again. Ooh. All right, so this is the fan. This would be nice in a beach bag, or you could keep it on your makeup vanity to help dry off your setting spray. So that was the fan that I got. And this is the packaging. Inside you have like shredded tissue, but it's all like branded. It says Dior all over it, which is quite nice. Oh, here's a little other pouch. I love fabric pouches. They're really nice to keep accessories, like earrings and stuff. So I got two. This is like a hand cream, and this is a face lotion. And then I got a deluxe, the exclusives fragrance. This is Glidio. Cute little bottle. This is quite generous. Really nice of them to have these. So some people have promo codes where they get a lot more, but you know, as I said, once those promo codes are released, you have to be on it because they will sell out of the freebies and they might not even have anything left. So that's why some of the promo codes don't ever work. But here is the item. And let's go ahead and open it. So it's wrapped in cellophane. And also the packaging too, guys. Like, they'll sometimes like not even have like the gift box. Like, they'll just give you the eco packaging because they're sold out of the gift box. So here we have it. The makeup clutches. So Dior does various lipstick clutches, and they're like kind of like Minaudière, but people convert them into bags. Now this time around, they did make it so that you can convert it into a clutch. It already has the little hooks on the sides. So it's got the Montaigne logo there. Really nice. And it's metallic gold. It's like a champagne gold. So this is like the hinge. Okay. And it says Christian Dior on the back. So you can open it. And here we have a mirror. And then you have these lipsticks. Okay. I actually left my good tripod in Las Vegas when I was there, so this tripod doesn't, you know, bend to give you the bird's eye view. So this here, this is the lipstick case, and then you have this shade, which is a beautiful red shade. And yeah, we're gonna close that up. And then you've got like refills here as well. So you can refill the lipstick. There we go. And there's this shade. Really nice, like neutral shades as well. My back is hurting. Okay. All right, last one. This is a beautiful shade as well. Like that. There we go. So these are really creamy and opaque. I'm quite impressed. As you can see, it shows up really nicely on like South Asian skin tones. My hand is slightly darker than my face, but I mean, this looks really good on South Asian skin tones, as you can see. I would use a lip liner, definitely, just to kind of define the lip. But I mean, these shades are really up my alley, especially the last two. Very beautiful for day to day. The lighter one, you could pull it off. Like, I mean, I could pull it off. I have pigmented lips, so I would have to do like a lip liner, just so that this will show up and not blend into or be lighter than my skin tone. So like I like to do a lip liner so that I get some contrast, but it's got a bit of a shimmer to it. And then the red is beautiful too. Really, really nice. So I think this is a really great piece. I mean, you don't have to necessarily put this in here as like a refill. Like if you have a mini bag, this is perfectly fine. It's such a beautiful small size. So this paper insert comes out really easily. You can keep it while you're using the lipsticks if you want, or you can just kind of have them in there. But this is actually a pretty decent, you know, size. I'm going to place my phone in. Ooh, there you guys go. Yeah, so the phone fits with the case, which is pretty nice. So it fits inside here. So again, this plastic insert won't come out, but you can put, you know, your lipstick in here. Either this one or perhaps even like a standard size one, or even just pop this one in. And, you know, you could put like some cash, a card. My phone's always in my hand anyway, but it's nice that you can put it in here. But it's just neat. You got like a nice big mirror. A nice big mirror is always handy, you know, for doing makeup on the go. But yeah, that's the clutch. For those of you who might be wondering, this logo is on the plastic of the mirror. So if you take it off, actually no, just the stripes, just the stripes. So you take it off. Okay, that's nice that they keep the logo on there. It was more the stripes that were a little bit distracting, but I'm going to do this with one hand. Yeah, so this part here is on the plastic, but then you still have the logo right there, which is nice, not too distracting. So this insert can come out, and then here I believe you've got the chain here. So the chain has little lobster clasp hooks. Okay, there's no branding on the chain, I don't think, no. So which is nice because you can use it on other things too. And it's pretty substantial chain. It's not super light and flimsy. So that's in there. And then you can attach it to these bits here as a clutch. So there we have it. That is the lipstick clutch of the 2023 holiday season. You could also have these engraved for an additional $10 on the website. So it's nice, they'll engrave like your name here. I think you can do up to 8 characters. So if you have a long name, sorry, you can't do it. But it's really nice, a really nice piece to have. I think it's great bang for your buck because you got the lipsticks and you also have this additional option of like a clutch, but also like a little, I would, you know, probably use it as like a desk makeup clutch, right? To just have on your desk because you have like a nice generous mirror in here. To carry it as a handbag is really cute. I myself will probably not carry it as a handbag because I have a lot of many other options to carry. This is a clutch though. So if there was an event that warranted a minimal clutch, like this would be great to use. But I have other options, so likely I would not use it as a clutch for myself, but I think it's really great for like a little girl. So I did get another one with my daughter's name engraved on it, so I can give that to her when she's a little bit older. I'll use the lipsticks in the meantime because by that time they'll probably expire. I think it's really, really cute to just, you know, have where you're just not really too fussy or too scared of this getting damaged or lost. It's a hard case, and I've seen people online fit in like a card holder, a key fob, and they're good to go, which is really all you need when you're going out. But I think this is nice as a little desk makeup clutch. So all in all, I think this is worth it, especially if you're going to be giving it as a really generous gift to somebody. This is really nice. They are out of stock on the website, but they periodically come back on. So when I bought mine, it was back in stock, and it was in stock for a good week because I kept checking. And after that, like right now they're out of stock, but I'm pretty sure they're going to restock them again. So really, really good. I mean, something like this, I mean, they're going to keep bringing back year after year with some variation. But because of the utility of this item, I think it's nice if you say had like a bridal party and you wanted to get everybody like a really generous gift for each of the members of the bridal party. I think this is really nice, or just for Christmas or anything like that. So I really like the fact that they've done something like this. I hope other brands do something similar, especially Chanel. But actually their lipsticks are actually quite nice as well. So very, very impressed. And baby's up, so we have to go. Okay, hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you